Hello YouTube, I'm a new person, and it is bird nest in our backyard, and it is scary, because mama bird all the time tries to attack us, which maybe I'll get her to. You can see it's right there. I don't think she might not attack now, unless she sees me, which I haven't seen her attack me for a while now. I don't know. I don't think that she will. Maybe if I shake this around, she will. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she are. See that? She's one angry bird. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's gonna get in here. Yeah, she is one mean bird. Just to say, I'd probably go into her nest right now. She'll probably flip on me. And she's up there. And I hope you subscribe and leave a comment and like. Thank you for watching my video. Scooby and Stripey. Okay, bye.